guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Switchblade 2 Killswitch. Switchblade 2, Switchblade, the first one, there is not too much difference. So let's go. First, what you want to do, if you have the brace like this, take this brace off. Before you take off this screw, there is a small little space over here. Make sure you don't lose it. I forgot to mention, just take off this wheel. It will be much helpful for you. Now, if you want, you can open the cover, the pull start. I like to do it. Next, take those two screws off. I already took it out, but take out this screw, and here underneath, and here. And there is two underneath it, underneath the chassis. And take off the cover. And remember that behind this screw, behind the coil, there is spacer, and behind this screw over there is another spacer. Make sure when you're taking it out, be really careful not to lose it. There's one, there's two. So when you took out everything, make sure the red cables as a plus goes towards the engine, and the minus, the black one, goes outside. Move the magnet lower so you will have this fan over here. The best way to move your cables is through here and behind this cover, this plastic cover. So after you plug in the kill switch up to your receiver, I plug it into channel 3, and there is a light just popped out over here. Now, to put it back, make sure you put the spacer first over here, bring the screw up to it, and do the same thing with the other one. Don't fasten fully those screws. Just, you have to have that space over here, because what you have to do is, let's say, take a business card or whatever you have, but not thicker than the business card, and just put it inside between the coil and the wheel like this, and then the magnet is over here. Then holding the paper, just move the wheel so the coil and the wheel magnet will meet together. Okay, you're gonna feel that it's really difficult to turn. That's why the magnet is over here. So now the magnet and the coil is lined up. Just fasten the screws. Just use it, and now just take it out, and it's perfect. Make sure everything is lined up. Put it in. And now two from underneath. Okay guys, everything is connected properly. Turn on the power in your transmitter first, and afterwards just put the power on over here. You will see the flashing LED, and my kill switch is set up for channel 4. When I press, nothing happens. So you have to go into setups and change the servo frequency. It's on digital. You can change it to analog. You see? Now it's flashing twice, slowly. If I'm gonna press it, channel 4, one more time, now it's ready to start. This one, it's off. This one is on. Analog servo, or you can do as well, go to digital again. I can't do nothing. Go to custom and go down up to 300, lower than 360 Hertz. I'm gonna do 359. You see LEDs start flashing differently, and I'm gonna back it up, and I'm gonna press the kill switch one more time, and I can start the engine. Alright guys, so I hope this video will help someone. Thanks so much, and have a nice one. Cheers!